Hi everyone, this is Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We are discussing the 15th kind of verb that is known as auxiliary verbs, and we have already discussed 9 auxiliary verbs, modal auxiliary verbs, and today we are going to discuss the 10th one that is known as would. Definition of modal auxiliary verb would. Would is a modal auxiliary verb and it is used for polite request, past refusals, willingness, past habits, offers or invitations, characteristic actions, and past purpose. We have got the first usage of modal auxiliary verb would. It is used for polite request. When you politely request someone for asking a query, you are going to use the modal auxiliary verb would. Would you open the door, please? This is a polite and respectful way to use it. And would you bring me a glass of water? It is again a polite and respectful way to ask someone a query or a question. Next, we have got willingness. As it is said, where there is will, there is a way. If someone is interested in order to do an action by his own willing or her own willing, he is going to use the modal auxiliary verb would. She would come with us, with you to the party, and we would start the function. Again, it is willingness to do or perform this action. Number three, we have got past habits. We would play cricket. Here it is past habit, but now we have left playing cricket. And they would abuse a lot. Now they have left abusing. That is past habit. And number four, we have got offers and invitations. Would you join our team? It is offer. And would you attend my brother's marriage party? That is invitation. Actually, what is difference between offer and invitation? Offer is to call someone for a long term of period, and invitation to call someone for a short term of period. Like it can be of 1 day or at least 2 days, but always it is of 2 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, a function or something party like. But here you may have an agreement with the person. Here you'll be offering someone for a long term of period. Number five, we have got characteristic actions. Characteristic actions are those actions which represent the character of someone. Like they say, they disturb the class. They would means they always. And she talks a lot. She would. This means she always. And next, we have got the last usage of modal auxiliary verb would. It is used for past purpose. Now, what actually these are used in conditional sentences type 2. We will, as we started the conditional sentences, we will learn them in detail. There we will be discussing them. But here, just would is used, so that's why I'll explain it to you. Past purpose. He worked hard. What was the aim and purpose of working hard? So that he would pass the exams. And they played well in order that they would win the match, or etc. Now, over there, the purpose and aim of playing well was to win the match in past. So, to represent the past purposes, we will be using the modal auxiliary verb would as a conditional sentence. So, modal auxiliary verb would has got the 6 usages. The first one is known as polite request. Number second, willingness. Number three, past habits. Number four, offers and invitations. Number five, characteristic actions. And the last one, past purpose. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the next lecture. Goodbye.